Everyone, welcome back to ASAP. So today we are going to see how to preview the emails in the Gmail. So we can preview an email through different view option before we can open it, or we can just try to turn off the preview pane. So to turn on the preview pane, we just have to go to setting. In the setting, we have to click on see all setting option. After clicking on see all setting option, we have to traverse to the inbox option, as we can see here. In the inbox option, we have to scroll down, and here we have to click on enable reading pane, which provides a way to read email right next to your list. So after clicking on that, we can see three options which are visible now: reading pane position, no split, right of inbox, and below inbox. And after going down, we can click on save changes. Once the changes are saved, the preview pane is visible here. So here we have to go to this option. So here toggle split pane mode. So after clicking on the arrow, we can see no split, vertical split, horizontal split. So if we click on vertical split, here a vertical split would be observed here for all the mails. So if I'm just clicking on the mail, so here I can see the email preview. If I just click on horizontal split, the horizontal split of the screen would be available where the email is visible here and the preview is visible to the horizontal side. And if I click on no split, so I just can open any email I want, so it would be directly open and no preview would be observed here. And if I want to turn off the preview pane, once again I have to click on the gear icon settings. After clicking on settings, I have to click on see all settings. Then after that, I have to traverse to the inbox option, and scrolling down in the reading pane option, I have to just click on this option where it disables the reading pane. I have to scroll down and I have to click on save changes. After the changes are been made, the preview pane won't be visible, the option won't be visible here, and the preview pane would be disabled. Thank you for watching the video, guys.